You can see, isn't it slick how this works?
Yeah.
It's, as they're going over it, he's holding in his hand there, and these little things are going around, and they just wipe out all the weeds.
Huh.
Row by row. You can only do one row at a time.
Okay.
It still takes many hours to get through it, but it's not, and we do hand hold. You can see how it misses a few.
Yep.
And buttonweeds, they will turn out to be like trees if you don't get them out of here.
Really?
And they spread, they're just awful. They will be thicker than my thumb, like a man's thumb. Maybe the base, the stalk can even be like an inch across. And they'll be taller than I am.
Holy cow.
And they spread something awful. You can see now he's going right over the row. Well, he's still to the side.